Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. That's all the places you can find me on social media. I'm like totally messing with your brain right now. This is the April Ipsy Glam Bag. The theme is full bloom, Mother Nature's finest work, you. Time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state. Allow yourself to blossom. We're going to blossom with this adorable bag. That bag is so cute, and we're going to talk about it a little bit more right now. So, Ipsy, full bloom. Okay, can I just talk about how, look at that. It's got like a little holder on it right there. That is just so cute. If I was able to go out right now, this would totally be like a spring happy hour bag. Totally. So cute. Anyway, let's get these products out of here. Say hi to the cat. That's Phoenix. She's decided recently she wants to pop up in videos. So, get all the products right here. So we've got Nomad Cosmetics Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow in Aperitivo, which is a shimmery rose quartz shade. I love that they just put these little, like the little logos right on the powder. So it's supposed to be the perfect shade to go to from day to night. It says it feels like velvet, goes on like butter, and that you can use your, there's a little tip here to use your finger. However, we're going to use this fun brush that also came in the bag. It's the Luxie 209 Large Shader Summer Days Tan Brush. It's so, like, it's an ombre color. I have like a full pink set, but this is so cute. So you can use it wet, you can use it dry. Like, we're just going to do this though. Well, get my handy dandy mirror here. Just put it in the crease here. Shade in the crease. Oh, I like. See? Ooh. Right there. There we go. Then we have a Hava 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. Oh, this is supposed to give you glowing luminous skin by detoxifying clogged pores and getting rid of dullness. I am about due for a facial, like an at-home facial, because obviously can't get a facial. So we're gonna have to do that. Speaking of which, I do have another video that shows you how to get a spa-worthy facial at home. It's about 13 minutes, very quick. It did not take me 13 minutes to give myself a facial though. Then we have Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. It's a lightweight water gel moisturizer, which I know when it's getting warmer, I don't like a heavy moisturizer, so this oil-free formula will work great for that. You can use it day or night. You only need a little dime size. Boom! Okay, finally, BareMinerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick in Courage. Something tells me, though, that this is not the courage that the lion was looking for in The Wizard of Oz. Still. Let's see here. It looks like it would be redder than it is, but it's kind of sheer. It feels kind of balmy. I feel like it would be redder. Like it would look more like that. However, I'm enjoying it greatly. We will see. I like. Anyway, that is full bloom. This is like a blooming flower. I enjoy. This is where to find me. Until next time, stay beautiful.